Okay, Vanessa, whenever you're ready, I would like you to do the parallel parking using the car at the front, please. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, so I lower my mirror,
Left mirror, yeah, good.
left mirror, and I go on drive. I do my mirrors check, signal right, blind spot check,
Good.
and I only using brakes slowly. And I want to keep 1 meter.
1 meter space. Good. Well done.
On the car slowly. Yeah.
Good. So your car is straight. What about your tires?
Yeah. Yes. Now.
Go forward a little bit. You will see where the car is going. It's going that way.
Okay,
so you need to do now there straight. Makes sense? Okay.
Yeah. Then I put reverse.
Good.
I do my observation.
Yeah. Good.
And I slowly using brakes, reversing, and when my left mirror coming in the middle of the car, I stop.
Yeah. Good.
And I turn one left.
One left. Yes. That's it. Good.
One left. And I'm observation.
Yes.
I forget.
When the green line.
Yeah, when the green.
Yeah, you can glance just before the curve, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, before the curve. Then I turn now.
No, a bit more back.
A bit more.
About there. Stop.
Okay.
That's it.
Then one.
No. So we done one to the left, isn't it? So now two to the.
Two to the right.
One to make your tires straight and one to go to the right.
Okay.
So you done only one at the moment, isn't it? That's two. Yeah.
One right. Two right. Okay.
Yeah.
Observation. And when my car come parallel with the curb.
Yeah. If any car is moving, what would you do?
I stop.
You stop for them as well. Any car coming towards you, you stop for them as well. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, good, good.
That's it.
Is it parallel now? Good. And the last thing to do now?
One to the left.
Yes. And just go back a little bit so it's easy for you to go out. So like one car length if you can.
I think.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Secure your car for me.
Okay.
Good. That's perfectly